I know exactly what's wrong, man. What a chore. What? Someone left pliers here. What the heck? Actually, those can come in handy. Dude, I needed these yesterday. I can't believe I just found those. Okay, so I was trying to speed past this really slow driver, and then all of a sudden my car just stopped working. And I'm like, dude, this can't be a repeat. This has happened to me once before, and it was because I broke my clutch, but this time I know exactly what happened. Too much pressure from the HKS snail, and it just blew this out. So I'm just gonna quickly fasten that back in, but we should be okay. Yeah, it's this thing that just came loose. We'll just stick that back in there and really tighten it down. Give this a shot. Oh, fixed it. Okay guys, I think we're good. Oh. We good. Man, doesn't run away. Okay, okay. What the? Hey! I didn't even have to do anything. Okay, okay. Man, my video didn't work. So I decided, since I'm cheap and resourceful, we're gonna just custom paint the M5 bolts that we'll be using to secure the kit onto the Supra. Semi-subtle. Alright, just got word from Josh that there's actually a minor mishap. He laid down my pieces somewhere in their paint shop, and then they were doing some sort of paint project on a nearby van, and then there was like overspray that got onto my pieces, so he ended up having to buffer some of them, but that's okay. Now that they're finished, we can go grab the rest of them and finally install them on the Supra, see what it looks like. Thanks. I forgot. I know. Started working on the Supra. Thanks, Josh. Awesome. So what happened exactly?
So when I was spraying, if you want to take a photo of that thing.
Yeah.
You see that van back there?
Oh, I see, I see.
I had the whole thing covered up.
You were just spraying it here?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess
But
so.
I had all the things inside of it.
I know, and you had it covered and everything.
So I had it all fucking covered up.
I know. What the heck?
All the doors covered.
Yeah.
And then I'm underneath spraying, and there's the hole for the fucking toilet.
Oh, what the hell? And that's
And
probably
just
where
like,
all the air was getting sucked
That's where
in.
everything was going in. And
Yeah.
then I'm just
Oh,
like,
shit.
wait a minute. Got out and I ripped it down. I was
no.
like, oh shit, man. I just
Well.
fucking taped it down and was like, luckily.
Whatever, man. It can be reworked, but
So
I
that's
see
just,
a
that's
little
just
bit.
polish.
That's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, looks good to me.
That's the beauty of single stage, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Oh, you would have known.
Really?
Yeah. It was like white.
Appreciate it. You work quick, man. Everyone
Yeah.
on the vlogs saying like, you did that in one day?
Yeah. They're like, this isn't final, right?
Yeah, exactly. Just
This
stage
isn't
one.
final.
So
So-
we'll be back for the finesse work. But any Calgary local, Assured Auto Body, which is like literally 1 minute down from our shop. So this is where I get all of my body pieces painted. And this man I've known for the longest time. Josh, appreciate all the work.
Yeah.
Quick. Just one.
Simple and one and done, man.
This looks so good. Damn. Look at that reflection though. Josh, thank you for coming in clutch, homie. Look at this. 2-3 days tops, man. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Wow, this is my first time comparing it to the body color. Yay! Yeah, we gotta reattach the sensor, but that's cool. Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna put some of the rubber liner, and actually, luckily, Sonny still had some left over from his Rocket Bunny kit, which that kit didn't actually put on, but a lot of people who wide body their cars don't even go through the effort of putting this rubber liner stuff. You can actually order this. It's a Toyota part. I'll put it up right here because I forgot the number, but yeah, you can order it from Toyota themselves, and it's a truck rubber gasket liner, so it's meant for their trucks, but I use it for my wide bodies. I'm gonna set you guys down, throw this on all of the body kit pieces, and then we'll show you guys how good of a job Josh did on paint matching. Now this part might require a little more patience. Like a silicone, the rubber gasket liner is used to pad and fill the space between two mating surfaces. In this case, I'm using it more so to protect the surface of the Supra from the kit. You know what this part reminds me of is when people panel line the outlines of a Gundam model. Like they take paint or a pen and they make the outlines black. Super clean look, but with character. Alright guys, I'm done putting that rubber stuff on. Let's finally put the Streethunter back on the Supra and get this thing back in one piece. And then for the front, actually, we're looking at it now. I think we could definitely lower it, but not by too much. I want to go like maybe half an inch. And then hopefully, since I can't really bring out the wheels as far as I want to, because it takes time, I think it's gonna take a couple of weeks for me to order in custom spacer extenders. So we're just gonna have to do it like this. The back fitment might be iffy, but we'll see how it looks for the front. I mean, right now, we're rocking like maybe an inch. And as you can see, it passes the front lip, so that's a good sign. Okay, it's gonna get loud. Good. I'm here!
Who has woke me up from my sleep? I wasn't joking that time.
I can never take this kid seriously. He has a meme relatable to everything.
There's like no clearance in here.
I was just gonna do like half an inch, like that. We can lower this thing like 1.5 more inches. Okay, we'll see. Never take this kid serious. We're almost there, Sonny. Come on, man, come on.
Alright.
Aight, let's lower this thing. Guys, that's all you really have to do. It really completes the back end, I think. Nice. Don't forget to torque your wheels. Wheel fitment's kind of iffy, but at least she'll be ready for the show. Dang. So we did lower it like half an inch. I just didn't want to go too low because freaking splitter's already lower than my FRS.
Psych!
Here we go! Oh, shh. Okay. We did lower it a bit.
Nothing to fret about.
Yeah. Sweet deal, dude. Okay, that's all you get, guys. I think I'm just gonna end this video here and just finish up the rest, installing everything, because the show actually is tomorrow. I still have to go home and prep everything for the booth. Appreciate the help, Sonny, as usual.
Yeah.
Which car do you want to drive? Okay. Because I need people to drive my cars. So the XB is gonna be the booth vehicle. So we'll throw everything in there, all the tables, the tent, the flags, all the merch. FRS is just gonna be clean. It's already clean. LEDs installed, and she's fairly show ready, but at least I don't have to put anything in the FRS anymore. And also the Supra is pretty much ready. The kit itself is immaculate, dude, and it came out really good from paint. Now remember, still just one pass, so if you look really close, you'll see all the imperfections, but again, shout outs to Josh for doing it in such a short time. And actually back here, one of the nutsers came out of the plastic bumper, so that's why I taped it there and gluing it back into place. But yeah, dude, oh my god. Yo, actually, lowering it made it look so much better.
It does. It usually does, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my god!
Okay, even just to poke this out like one more inch. But yeah, no, that looks good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want, you can subscribe, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.
I don't want to say it anymore.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.